What are you opening, Elizabeth?
It's from Auntie Kiki.
Oh.
What is that?
What is it?
Crayons. You know
Wow.
what
What are they for?
they're for? Let's open the box.
What are they for, Elizabeth?
Oh. For what? For drawing. Yeah, you want to draw?
Hey, Elizabeth, can you
Here.
say thank you?
Here. Why don't you open this
Crit-
part?
Elizabeth.
Open this one, and then you might be able to do something about those crayons. Here, I'll hold your crayon real quick.
Rip it open, girl. Rip it open. Yeah, rip it. Good job. Nice, dude.
What is it? Is it paper?
Oh.
Yeah. What do you say, Auntie Kiki? Look at that.
Can you say, Auntie Kiki, I love you?
And say happy birthday. Or should we sing happy birthday? Ready? Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie Kiki. Happy birthday to you.